Hey Hip Chicks, there is an old Irish tradition that says on New Year's Eve that we should open our back door to let out the past and open the front door to let in the future and welcome the new year. After the last year that we've had, we better open the doors, open the chimney flue, and the windows too, so we can let all the bad juju of 2020 go. But what I don't want you to do is leave your windows open to losing energy efficiency and throwing your money out the window. There are 3 easy, simple tips that you can use to weatherize your windows now. Now, I want you to hit that notification and subscribe button because I have more videos coming in the next few weeks on how you can maximize the energy efficiency in your house. Winter is just really kicking into high gear, and I want to make sure that you save money and stay cozy. Okay, so we have 3 products, 3 places on the window, and a bonus tip to share. The bonus tip is the number one thing you can do to have more energy efficiency on your windows is to lock them. So many people don't realize that their windows are closed but not locked. And if they're not locked, they may not be fully closed. So make sure you go around and you've locked all of the windows for maximum efficiency. Now, the next thing you want to think about with your windows is, where am I having air leaks? There are 3 common areas. One is the bottom of the sash, whether you have a single hung or a double hung. The ridge right along here where the lock is, that air can come up because over time the little fuzzy gasket that is between the panes has worn away. And the third is around the window itself, just because it's an older window, maybe single pane glass, and you're just not having any efficiency. So let's tackle how we start. And we're gonna go from the bottom of the sash first, because this would be the first thing you would do before locking your windows. There are 2 great products. One is a foam weather seal. This is super cheap, easy to apply, but I like going a little higher end and going for the rubber weather seal. It's a little bit thicker, it compresses better and retains its memory when you go to open and close the window, and it's more tolerant for those really cold temps. Put that on the bottom and then close that window and lock it. The next product is for this little gap. It is a clear, removable weather strip. So it is basically a caulk, but it is clear and you can take it off in the spring and it will seal up that gap very, very quickly. You don't want to put a weather seal there, tape, because it just doesn't look as attractive. This is your go-to product. The last one is you want to apply the good old plastic shrink wrap to your windows. I know people talk about it and go, does this really work? It does. I've used the Frost King window shrink wrap system for years on all of my north-facing windows where it is coldest in my house. So they come in large patio and large window size, as well as standard window size. But last year they came out with a really cool version that has a pre-taped top edge that you just roll out and then you drop down and you stick it to the double-sided tape that you apply around your window frame. So once you have the plastic attached, you grab that hairdryer and you shrink it all up and it's nice and airtight. So remember that you have these 3 techniques that you can use to seal up your windows. You are going to put the weather seal at the bottom, you're going to put the caulk strip in the middle, you're going to put the plastic seal on the outside. After, of course, you have locked your window. You can use 1, 2, or 3 of these techniques to seal in your windows and have energy efficiency and feel cozy. So make sure that you check out my full weatherization playlist where I have step-by-step instructions on how to use all of these products to keep you warm and cozy this winter.